Next point from the solid state is Frenkel defect. We already discussed Schottky defect in previous video. In this video, we will discuss Frenkel defect. What happened in this Frenkel defect? The site of in this case, in the Frenkel defect, arises when an ion of an ionic compound is missing from its regular lattice sites and occupy interstitial position between lattice bonds. That means what? You know that this is a crystalline lattice structure, crystalline solid, in which this is negative, positive, negative, positive. Here you can see here size of anion, that means negative charge is more and size of cation is less. Here what happened? This cation can leave its position and it can insert in this vacant space. Okay, you can simply see here the same crystal lattice. What happened? This cation can leave its position and it can insert in this vacant space. Okay, that means cation at interstitial sites. This cation can leave its position and it can insert in this vacant space. Then here vacancy of cation. Then here again one of the cation can leave its position and it can insert in the another voids or another space of the same crystal lattice. You know that Frenkel defect is developed due to the smaller the size of cation is displaced from its normal sites to an interstitial space it can insert in. It therefore creates a vacancy defect at its original position and interstitial defect at its new location in the same crystal. Frenkel defect, that means what? It can smaller the size of cation, it can displace from its original position and original position become vacant, and this cation can shift in the interstitial site and there are the new location in the same crystal. This is the Frenkel defect. That means what? One of the cation can leave its original position and this space become vacant and cation can insert in the interstitial site. Okay, this is your Frenkel defect. Frenkel defect can be regarded as the combination of the vacancy defect as well as interstitial defect. You know that you already discussed here. One of the cation can leave its original position and this position become vacant, and this cation can insert in the vacant space or interstitial sites, and this is interstitial sites and this is vacancy defect. That means what? Frenkel defect can be regarded as the combination of vacancy defect and interstitial defect. Condition for the formation of Frenkel defect. First condition for the Frenkel defect, the Frenkel defect occur in a ionic compound. Those compound containing cations and anion with large difference between sizes of cations and anions. There are large size difference between cation and anion. We already discussed here. The smaller the size of cation and bigger size of anion, here largest difference between them, there is a Frenkel defect takes place. Okay. The ions of ionic compound must be having low coordination number. The coordination number of this ionic compound must be low coordination number. That means what? जो सेंट्रलचा ॲटम असेल, आयन असेल, त्याच्या सभोवती अटॅच असणारे जे आयन्स असतील ते लेस नंबर मध्ये असतील. म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, दॅट मीन्स व्हॉट? द सेंट्रल आयनला अटॅच असणारे आयन्स किती आहेत तो नंबर म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. म्हणजे जेवढा कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर लो असेल तेवढा फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट असतो. हे ऑलरेडी आपण डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. व्हॉट इज द कॉन्सिक्वेन्सेस ऑफ फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट? as number of ions are missing from the crystal lattice as a whole, the density of a solid and its chemical property remains unchanged. What I am saying, म्हणजे इथे काय होतंय की जेवढे नंबर ऑफ आयन्स मिस होतील फ्रॉम द क्रिस्टल लॅटिक्स पासनं the density of solid and its chemical property remains unchanged. Why? Because you can see here, this cation can miss here, but it can shift here in this interstitial site. There is no differ in the density or mass as it is, as well as density as it is, because only one of the cation can missing its original position, and it can shift in the interstitial site. There is a density of solid as it is. Then next point, chemical properties remains unchanged. Chemical properties does not get changed here. The crystal as a whole remains electrically neutral because the equal number of cations and anions are present. For example, this Frenkel defects possible in ZnS, AgCl, AgBr, AgI and CaF2 compound. That means what? जेवढे anions असतील तेवढेच कॅटायन्स प्रेझेंट असतील ह्या क्रिस्टल लॅटिक्स मध्ये, म्हणजे तो कंपाऊंड काय असणार आहे? इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल असणार आहे. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट डिफेक्ट विल डिस्कस हियर impurity defect. The impurity defects arises when foreign atoms, that is atoms different from the host atoms, are present in the crystal lattice. That means what? You can simply see here, this is the simple copper crystal, copper solid, but in case what happened, this is the copper atom, but some of the copper atom is replaced by your zinc metal. You can see here, this is copper metal, but some of the copper metal, this is replaced by your zinc metal. That means what? Your host is copper, but foreign atom is zinc. Your host is copper, but foreign atoms is zinc. Some of the hosts are replaced by foreign atoms like zinc, and this is called as a impurity defect. That's why this in this pure copper solid, some zinc metal and this become a impure. That's why it is called as a impurity defect. So what is the impurity defect? कशामुळे impurity defect arises when foreign atom, that is atom different from the host atom, are present in the crystal lattice. I already discussed about the impurity defect. Some host atom are replaced by some foreign atoms and the crystal lattice form. It is called as a which contains some impurity there. There are two kinds of impurity defects. First one is substitutional impurity defect. We'll discuss first of all substitutional impurity defect. In this defect, what happened? The foreign atoms are found at the lattice site in place of host atoms. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice site by impurity atom. Here only substitution takes place. What happened? Some of the copper atom is substituted by zinc metal. You can see here, some of the copper atom is substituted by zinc metal. Some of the copper metal are substituted by zinc metal, and this is called as a substitutional impurity defect. In this defect, the foreign atoms are found at the lattice site in place of host atoms. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice site by impurity atoms. You must remember what happened. You can take example here. What happened? This is host atom copper. Some of the host atom of the copper is substituted by some impurities like zinc. It is called as a substitutional impurity defect. For example, solid solution of metals, that means alloys. Alloys means it is a mixture of metal or non-metal. Brass is an alloy. In this case, what happened? Copper is a host and zinc is a impurity. So some of the host metal of the copper is substituted by some impurity of zinc. Example is brass. Vacancy through divalent impurity. Vacancy through divalent impurity. In this case, what happened? This is also substitutional defect. In this is the sodium chloride crystalline solid, in which sodium is a monovalent ion. Cl monovalent monovalent ion. This is anion and this is cation. In this case, I can add it just impurity as a SrCl2. So what happened in the SrCl2? Sodium is in a Na plus oxidation state, but your strontium I just added in this regular crystalline solid of NaCl, SrCl2. You know that strontium chloride means SrCl2. The strontium chloride is SrCl2. So in which I added just strontium chloride in NaCl. So oxidation state of NaCl in sodium is +1 because Cl is minus, that's why it is Na plus. And in strontium chloride there is a 2Cl, that's why 2 minus असेल तर हा काय असणार आहे 2 plus because there are 2 Cl. So 1 Cl carries -1 charge, total Cl is 2 minus, strontium is 2 plus. So impurity is added to NaCl during the crystallization. The added strontium ions occupy some of the regular site of Na plus ion host ions. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, every Sr2 ions remove 2 Na plus ion. One of the vacant lattice site created by removal of 2 Na plus ion is occupied by one strontium ion, the other side of Na plus. What happened? Here you must maintain electrical neutrality. That's why what happened, I just added strontium chloride as an impurity in a during crystallization of sodium chloride. In this case, what happened? Strontium carry 2 plus charge. Okay, so for the electrical neutrality purpose, जर एक स्ट्रॉन्शियम जर ऍड केला तर त्याच्या ऐवजी आपल्याला किती सोडियम बाहेर काढावे लागतील, तर 2 सोडियम सबस्टिट्यूट करावे लागतील. कारण एका सोडियम वरती +1 चार्ज असतो आणि स्ट्रॉन्शियम वरती 2 प्लस चार्ज असतो. तर आपण एक सोडियम जर सबस्टिट्यूट केला किंवा एका सोडियमच्या ऐवजी आपण स्ट्रॉन्शियम आणला, तर एक स्ट्रॉन्शियम जर आला तर त्याच्या ऐवजी आपल्याला किती सोडियम मेटल बाहेर काढावे लागतील, 2 सोडियम मेटल. म्हणजे इथे एक Na+ जो असणार आहे तो काय असणार आहे, वॅकंट असणार आहे. एक Na+ काय असणार आहे, वॅकन्सी असणार आहे. बिकॉज आय ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हॉट यू नो दॅट सोडियम atom is the host ion and its oxidation state is +1. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, every Sr2 ions remove 2 Na+ ion. जर एक Sr2 ions जर आपण ऍड केला तर आपल्याला 2 Na+ ions रिमूव्ह करावे लागतील. And one of the vacant space in the one of the vacant lattice sites created by removal of 2 Na+ ion is occupied 1 Sr2 ion, the other sides. म्हणजे इथला एक Na+ गेला, इथला एक Na+ गेला, बट एका Na+ च्या ऐवजी स्ट्रॉन्शियम 2+ आला आणि ही जी स्पेस आहे ती व्हॅकंट असेल. कारण इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी मेंटेन करण्यासाठी जेवढे कॅटायन्स प्रेझेंट असतील तेवढेच आपल्याला अनायन्स असायला पाहिजे. तर हा जो वॅकन्सी सबस्टिट्यूशनल डिफेक्ट्स आहे, कारण सोडियम ज्यावेळी डायव्हॅलंट आयन जे असतील ॲज अ इम्प्युरिटी म्हणून तुम्ही ऍड करशाल इन अ मोनोव्हॅलंट क्रिस्टलाइन लॅटिक्स मध्ये, त्यावेळी तिथे वॅकन्सी असणार आहे. सो वॅकन्सी थ्रू डायव्हॅलंट इम्प्युरिटी, यू मस्ट रिमेंबर व्हॉट इज दिस. वॅकन्सी आर क्रिएटेड बाय द ऍडिशन ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी ऑफ डायव्हॅलंट आयन. दॅट मीन्स व्हॉट, इथं वॅकन्सी का जनरेट होते, तर आपण इम्प्युरिटी म्हणून डायव्हॅलंट आयन्स ऍड करतोय, ज्याची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट असणार आहे ती होस्ट आयन्स पेक्षा कशी असणार आहे, डिफरंट असणार आहे. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर, होस्ट आयन्स पेक्षा, होस्ट आयन्स कोण आहे, Na+ आहे, तर Na+ पेक्षा याची जो आयन्स असणार आहे दुसरा, तर स्ट्रॉन्शियम इम्प्युरिटी म्हणून जो ऍड केलेला आहे त्याची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट काय असणार आहे, डिफरंट असणार आहे. तर आय ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हॉट इज अ वॅकन्सी थ्रू डायव्हॅलंट इम्प्युरिटी. आय सिम्पली ऍडेड इन दिस NaCl structure strontium as a impurity, strontium chloride in the strontium is a 2+. What happened, due to the purpose of electrical neutrality maintained, the 2+ Sr2+ is substituted here. That's why 2 Na+ remove there. So one of the vacant space for the neutralization or electrical neutrality purpose. Okay. Then next point we'll discuss here. Next defect is interstitial impurity defect. What happened in this case? In the interstitial impurity defect, there are some of the space is vacant in this. It is, you know that it is called as a voids. The empty space between the atom, it is called as a voids. It is called as a voids. In this defect, the impurity atoms occupy interstitial space of lattice structure. What happened? This is the regular crystal lattice, but some of the space is empty. In this space, empty space or void space, there are some non-metal can inserted there, some carbon there. So for example, I can take here alloy, that means stainless steel. In this stainless steel, this is the iron atom, all are iron atom. In this all iron atom can arrange regular mannerly, but there are some voids there. This is the voids, empty space. In this empty space, some of the non-metal carbon are inserted there, and this become a stainless steel. In steel, Fe atom occupy stainless normal lattice sites. Okay, you must remember. The next point we'll discuss here, non-stoichiometric defect. In this non-stoichiometric defects, what happened? जो काही रेशो असणार आहे नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स, जसं स्टॉचिओमेट्रिक मध्ये पाहिलं, स्टॉचिओमेट्रिक मध्ये काय पाहिलं की द रेशो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स अँड anions आर इक्वल, बट इन नॉन स्टॉचिओमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट्स व्हॉट हॅपन, द रेशो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ कॅटायन्स अँड anions आर नॉट सेम, इट इज टोटली डिफरंट. The change in stoichiometry does not causes any change in the crystal structure. तर त्यांचा जो stoichiometric रेशो आहे, it does not affect the change in any crystal structure. There are two types of non-stoichiometric defects. Metal deficiency defect. तर आता metal deficiency defect जो आहे, this defect is possible only in compounds metal that show variable oxidation state. There are two types of non-stoichiometric defects. First one is metal deficiency defect. आता हा जो metal deficiency defect आहे, तर तो कोणामध्ये पॉसिबल असणार आहे? Those metal can shows variable oxidation state. You know that some of the metal can shows variable oxidation state. For example, copper, or you can say manganese. Manganese shows +1, +2, +5, +7 like that oxidation state. So some of the metal can shows variable oxidation state because of the valence electron present in its valence shell. What happen in this case? In some crystal, positive metal ions are missing from their original lattice site. The extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cation by the same metal with higher oxidation state than that of missing. Okay, I can take example, then you can understand easily. You can take a compound like a nickel oxide. In this case, nickel, in the nickel oxide, nickel is present in +2 oxidation state. Nickel present in +2 oxidation state and oxygen present in 2- oxidation state. That means what? Ni2O2 minus. Okay, in the compound nickel oxide, Ni2 plus is missing from the side. Okay, Ni2 plus is missing from the sides, regular sides, and this side creating a vacancy at the lattice site. The deficiency of two positive charge is made up by the presence of by the 2 Ni3 plus. You can see here this Ni2 plus is missing, but here some of the compound cation are present in Ni3 plus. This one and this one can present in Ni3 plus. Two ions, Ni3 plus ions at the other lattice sites. This is the non ions as shown in figure, and its composition is nickel in 0.97% and oxygen is 1.0%. Okay, this is the non-stoichiometric ratio. This is not equal. म्हणजे जेवढे निकेलचे मोल्स असतील तेवढेच ऑक्सिजनचे नसणार आहे. तो रेशो कसा असणार आहे? नॉन इक्वल असणार आहे, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द Ni2 plus is missing and there are some substituted Ni3 plus ion because nickel present in two different variable oxidation state. Okay, you must remember what I am saying. metal deficiency defect. This defect is possible only in compound of metal that shows variable oxidation state. In some crystal, positive metal ions missing from their original lattice site, the extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cation by the same metal ion with higher oxidation state. You must remember some of the metal ion can missing from the regular crystal lattice sites. In case of nickel oxide, then the extra negative charge are present there, and it can balance the your electrical neutrality. Some of the this Ni2 plus, then nickel also present in Ni3 plus and Ni3 plus. Here one Ni2 plus nickel is missing, at same the time 2 Ni3 plus present there. Okay, for in the purpose of the electrical neutrality. Okay, next point we'll discuss in next video.